We got new tools from Harbor Freight. Well, we leaked them. If you've been following the channel, if you're subscribed, you'd know this, but we talked about it. They were supposed to be out earlier this month, and they got up. I mean, this is not bad for Harbor Freight. This is just a couple weeks late, but we got a bunch of new stuff. So let's jump into it. These are things that are out now. We talked about before. They're online. You can go in store, and most stores order them or order them online. First one we got to talk about, of course, is the Yukon 36-inch by 18-inch rolling tool cabinet. We've talked about this before. I did a full video on it. I got it sitting right next to me here, over here. Great tool. For a entry-level miscellaneous kind of cabinet, fantastic. It's probably the best on the market for the bang for the buck when it's on sale. Okay, but the one thing is, when it launched, you didn't have a lot of choices. You had red, black, and blue. Not to say that they aren't good looking. I've got the classic red. Looks like a great cabinet. But we hinted that there'd be a new color, and the new color is here, and it's gray. Now, do not go by what it looks like here on the screen. The gray online never does it justice. And honestly, it's not my favorite color. All right, I'm not a huge fan of the gray personally. It's not what I would put in my shop. I like the white stuff because it brightens everything up. You know, as you get older, the eyes, you need more light and stuff. So I like the white cabinets, but the gray is beautiful. And I know a lot of guys who love it. It is in person. You got to go see it in store. It is a great looking cabinet, but this isn't it. The rest of the Yukon line got the treatment as well. Yep, if you're looking at the 9 drawer with the wood top, a lot of people love that. You have red, black, blue, and white in this because, of course, you know, a lot of kitchen stuff, baby stuff, whatever. And I'm not joking. People do use it as baby changing stations and such. But the gray cabinet there as well. So, and again, when on sale, this is a great bang for the buck cabinet. And then we got, of course, the single drawer with the 2 cabinets. That for some reason, no white in this one. I don't understand why we can get white on the 9 drawer and not on the other ones. But this is a great. I bought one of these. Oh my gosh, when we started the channel, so it's got to be a decade old. It's been to the back of my truck, dragged back and forth between Vegas and Montana. It lived outside. I still got it. It's still a viable. We use it in our storage unit, mostly for like when you're doing stuff in storage, you got to lay stuff out, put boxes on it. It's miscellaneous use kind of stuff, but it's still alive and kicking. And it's not been treated well, and it's still going. So not a bad cabinet. The big single drawer, the 2 cabinets underneath. Get some lighting under there if you're going to get this because it's dark in those recesses. All right. But we got more. We got more new stuff here from Harbor Freight. This is all on their online. You can go check it out. Check this out. Who had this? This one, I don't know if I remember talked about this, but a cordless pruner in the Bower. I will be getting this. I've got so many. We got box elder trees. They grow like weeds. They're honestly called weed trees surrounding my house, and I'm constantly fighting against the box elder battle. And usually I have to get out my recip saw. I put a pruning blade in it, but this is just one snip and it's done. It's a mitzvah, if you would. Some of you will get that. Anyway, $64.99. Of course, that is tool only. I can't wait to get my paws on that one. I'm excited about that. The icon, check this out. We got a handheld inspection camera. All right, so it's got the the little kind of thing. What do you call it? The optical cable here with the camera on the end with a nice screen, the whole 9 yards. It's normally $180. Of course, you're going to want to do but look at this. It's got batch. I'm saying you're going to want to get a coupon. You got to wait for the coupon sale price on that. But it looks like a really nice inspection camera, and it's got the side view as well. That's a big deal. Now, I am very particular when it comes to these inspection cameras. I've tried them all. I've tried the cheap ones that you Bluetooth to your phone or Wi-Fi. They are such a headache. I just can't cope with them. I want a big screen. I want to pick it up. I want to go to work with it. I don't want to sit there and spend 15 minutes trying to pair it with my phone. I don't want to do any of that kind of stuff. This is the way to go on these things. All right, and then we got the new Hercules batteries. I need to get one and tear it apart, see what we got on the inside. But it's I don't know if there's anything huge about it. I heard it was alluded that they're now using 21 700 cells instead of the 18 650s. We'll have to see. what's inside these, but new Hercules batteries. Of course, the Predator now has, the big deal here is there's no longer two different versions. They used to have the everyone else and then California, because California had their own. Well, now they've got one that just does it all. So if you see this, it's not really a big change. It is probably the best all-around generator that Harbor Freight sells, and it's a fantastic generator. I think it's a dual fuel, electric start, fully enclosed, super quiet, ton of power in a nice mobile package. It's a great generator. And now you don't have to worry about whether you're getting the California compliant one. And of course, it's also got the luggage style handle on it as well to really make it easy to pull around. And we got the Icon cooling system pressure test kit there for those of you getting serious about doing your cooling systems. We got the pneumatic cooling system filler tester there for $119. We got a new this is the precision rotary tool here. They had one of these before. This is now the precision version. Rather, the other one was really big. All right, this is a smaller, more detailed version coming in at $40 on that. We got, I told you about this coming out. We talked about the new Hercules table saw, and the new Hercules table saw is out. But let's see here. Is there anything going on with the other table saw? And it's still listed. There's the original 10-inch table saw. This new one, smaller, more compact, 8 1/4 inch on it. It's cheaper. I hope it doesn't go away. I like the option of having a 10-inch blade rather than having to go through 8 1/4 on that. Hopefully it sticks around, but I don't know. I think it's gonna be a tough call for them to carry both, but maybe they will. Maybe they found extra space in stores. All right, we got the 2-pack bundle of the Bauer 5 amp hour batteries. Again, this is a redesign on that. Have to see what's inside them. All right, we got the Bauer 5.5 gallon. This is the wet dry vac that fits in with the Bauer system. That's their modular toolbox system. And what you're looking at here, we talked about this before. Some people asked, like, is it cordless? No, not at 5 peak horsepower. You're not doing cordless. All right, this is a corded tool or vacuum that fits into the modular system, which if you're in that system, now that they got drawers with it and they got the new bigger wheels and all that, it's a nice system. It's a nice DIY level system. Even if you're like a budget pro, when you got to buy your own tools, you got to start thinking about that ROI on it, right? For $80, that's a nice vac, okay? Then we got the Bauer bag. I showed the bag in the previous videos. It's a huge bag. Reminds me of a hockey bag. Fantastic bag on this with the hard shell bottom on it, coming in at $70. We got, of course, the Predator 4200. We talked about this one before. Harbor Freight did send this to me. We're going to be doing a review on it when I catch some time here. We got the Doyle GFCI tester. That's a nice looking tester. I like the big screen. Us older guys, we like a big screen on it. Makes it easier to read, so you don't have to dig out the cheaters there so we can see what's going on. Merlin's got a redo on their reel. This one's got the 3/8 50-foot PVC rubber hybrid hose with the MPT fittings coming in at $90. The Merlin stuff is great. The Chicago pneumatic, usually not so great. The Merlin stuff, don't hesitate. Fantastic stuff, okay? And then we got the Road Shock. This is your universal LED gang switch for doing all your off-road lights and all that other kind of fun stuff you want to add to your vehicle. Harbor Freight did send this to me with a couple off-road lights. We're working on a project right now. We're going to have a video out on that. And then we got this one's not new. I just noticed this is back. So this has been out for years. Then it went away, and now it's back. And that is the Bauer backpack sprayer. Now the reason it went away was they had an issue with some of them leaking. And of course, because you got sprayer stuff in there, it's not fun stuff, and it would leak and go down onto the battery. It's just bad, okay? So they did a redesign, and a lot of people have been asking me, like, hey, is it ever coming back out? I didn't see an announcement, but it's back, and it's under the same listing. So there you go. For those of you who are looking for that, it's here. And then we also have to talk about the sale that's going on right now. I know I've been off and having adventures and having oral surgery and all sorts of fun stuff. 40% off all Apache cases. That's huge. And then we also have 40% off on the Braun light. You know what kind of light this is for. This is not for like checking out. Well, I guess it is. We're checking out things in the dark, so you can check that out. And then we got one more day in the deals of the day week here, and that's going to be 20% off all Icon 56 and 73-inch roll cabinets. That's huge. That's a huge sale, as well as an Icon bundle deal there for the ratchet and sockets as well. So there you go. Lots of cool stuff. Really excited about the new colors in the cabinets. A lot of other great tools in there. And yes, we're back. I know we took kind of a hiatus here. And we're not back full time per se, but we're going to have some more videos rolling out. I know I was off in Yellowstone. We went fly fishing and camping and all that kind of stuff. And then I cracked a tooth and got an infection, and it was all sorts of wonderful stuff. Getting old is not quite as awesome as they tell you it is. All right. But just to let you know that health is up, attitudes are up, heat is way up. My gosh, it's over 100 degrees, has been for like the whole week here in Montana. But you know what? It happens. Time to get out of here and go find some water, right? So anyway, you all take care. God bless. And as always, shine on.